Welcome to the top best. The best RGB fans is probably one of the most visually striking components you can add to your PC build. These fans not only keep your system cool but also add a vibrant splash of color, allowing for extensive customization. In this video, we'll dive into the world of 120mm RGB fans, exploring their features, performance, and what makes them a must-have for any PC enthusiast. Number 5. Cooler Master MF120 Halo 3-in-1 Fans. This fan features a dual-ring design with addressable RGB lighting. It has 24 individually controlled ARGB LEDs, creating a stunning visual effect. The lighting is customizable to fit your style. The hybrid static pressure blade design is engineered for performance. It tackles resistances in CPU liquid radiators and mesh chassis, boosting overall airflow. This design ensures efficient cooling. Enjoy a quieter cooling solution with the silent cooling technology. Noise reduction technology and sound-absorbing materials contribute to a longer lifespan. It minimizes noise for a better experience. The fan offers dynamic speed adjustment with PWM control. It ranges from 650 RPM to 1800 RPM, minimizing noise or maximizing airflow. You can adjust it to your needs. This fan is compatible with most addressable RGB-capable motherboards. It supports Aura, Mystic Light, and Polychrome Sync. It is easy to integrate into your system. It includes a wired ARGB controller for easy color adjustments. You can change the colors with a touch of a button, without needing software. This provides convenient control. The package includes 3 MF120 Halo 120mm fans and a wired ARGB controller. Everything you need is included to get started. It's a complete cooling solution. What we like. This fan boasts stunning dual-ring ARGB lighting, making your build visually captivating. Its hybrid static pressure blade design ensures efficient cooling, even in challenging setups. If you're looking to add a vibrant aesthetic to your PC while maintaining optimal cooling performance, you should consider this one. What people say. The fans have 24 LEDs, so every lighting sequence is nice and bright. These fans are perfectly diffused, so the lighting is nice and smooth with no hot spots. You can tell right out of the box that these fans are well built and are a quality product. Number 4. EZDIY-FAB Moonlight 120mm RGB Case Fan 6-pack. Experience the tri-aperture design, creating a mesmerizing luminous effect. This fan delivers an impactful visual display, enhancing your desktop's aesthetics. Synchronize the lighting with your motherboard using the 3-pin RGB header. It's compatible with popular software like ASUS Aura, Ashrock RGB, Gigabyte Fusion, and MSI RGB. With the included Fan Hub X and remote, you can easily adjust LED effects, colors, brightness, and fan speed. Note that the hub supports up to 6 fans with a maximum current of 5A. Equipped with 8 anti-vibration rubber pads, this fan minimizes noise and improves efficiency. It ensures a smooth and quiet operation, enhancing your overall experience. The self-lubricated bearing and friction-reduced substance reduce noise and improve thermal efficiency. This helps keep your system cool and running smoothly. What we like. The tri-aperture design creates an impressive light show, setting your PC apart. It easily syncs with your motherboard's RGB, offering seamless control. If you like to customize your lighting effects with ease, and want a simple remote control, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They are very bright and vibrant. Great for airflow because there is many, could only fit 3 in my micro ATX PC. The fans keep the PC cool for the amount of air going in. They have different cords to adapt to different motherboard cables, which is perfect because I could not find one for my MSI motherboard. The power supply one plugs in perfectly. Number 3. CORSAIR iCUE SP120 RGB Elite Triple Fan Kit, White. This fan kit uses air guide technology. It utilizes anti-vortex vanes to direct airflow, improving cooling performance. This helps keep your components running at optimal temperatures. Each fan features 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs. This allows for stunning and customizable lighting effects. You can create a unique look for your system. The kit includes an iCUE lighting node core. This compact controller lets you manage the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans. It simplifies cable management with easy connections. With CORSAIR iCUE software, you have complete control over the lighting. You can synchronize the RGB lighting across all your iCUE compatible products. Bring your system to life with dynamic lighting effects. The 120mm fan blades operate quietly, as low as 7 dBA. It provides high airflow while allowing the RGB lighting to shine through. This ensures both performance and aesthetics. These fans offer powerful PWM-controlled speeds up to 1500 RPM. It pushes up to 47.7 CFM of air with 1.46 mm H2O of static pressure. This helps to keep your system cool under heavy loads. What we like. This fan utilizes AirGuide technology to direct airflow, maximizing cooling efficiency. With iCUE software, you can synchronize lighting across all your CORSAIR components. If you are looking for a fan that provides both excellent cooling and a quiet operation, you should consider this. What people say. They work really well with the app and produce a good amount of cooling in my PC. These are really nice, good build quality. These ventole forniscono un flusso d'aria abbondante e mantengono livelli di rumorosità contenuti, offrendo allo stesso tempo una vasta gamma di possibilità di personalizzazione dell'illuminazione. Number 2. PCCOOLER FX1 120mm RGB Case Fan 3-Pack. PCCOOLER is a well-known brand, with a strong presence in both domestic and international markets. They focus on developing top-quality computer accessories, including these fans. They are dedicated to providing excellent cooling solutions for your PC. Enhance your case with the vibrant ARGB lighting of the FX120 fans. Each fan features 6 high-brightness LED lamp beads. They provide excellent heat dissipation and bring you a better gaming experience. The unique 9-blade design minimizes resistance and boosts fan performance. It achieves an airflow of 52.79 CFM at 1200 RPM. This design effectively optimizes airflow within your case and aids in dust removal. The FX120 ARGB fans incorporate soft silicone cushions to reduce noise from vibrations. This low-noise design ensures quiet operation, with a maximum noise level of only 18 dBA. It's as quiet as falling leaves, helping you build a perfect cooling system. These fans utilize hydraulic bearing technology for lasting performance. It can absorb and conserve lubricating oil, effectively reducing wear and noise. The bearing life can reach more than 40,000 hours. The RGB fans are compatible with all types of chassis and are simple to install. It features a humanized power supply interface design, with both 3-pin and 4-pin options. Remember not to connect both at the same time to avoid short circuits. What we like. This fan features RGB lighting to add a vibrant touch to your case. The special threaded blade design enhances airflow and cooling performance. If you are after a fan that provides a balance of performance, aesthetics, and quiet operation, you should consider this. What people say. RGB works fine. Installation was easy. They're nice and quiet but still move a decent amount of air. Number 1. Antec F12 Series 120mm RGB Case Fan. This fan is easy to install. It uses a 12V RGB interface that connects via daisy chain, which simplifies cable management. Please make sure your motherboard has a 4-pin RGB interface. The Antec F12 series operates quietly. It utilizes sleeve bearing and fluid dynamic bearing technology, producing only 21.5 dBA of noise. This makes it suitable for studio environments. Enjoy full-spectrum RGB lighting with this fan. It is designed to meet the individual needs of most players, providing a distinctive visual experience once powered on. The fan's arc surface design enhances airflow. This design ensures efficient ventilation and large-capacity heat dissipation, keeping your system cool. The Antec F12 series offers a balance of performance and aesthetics. It is designed to provide both effective cooling and a visually appealing experience for your PC. What we like. This fan offers easy installation with its daisy chain design, simplifying cable management. It operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful computing experience. If you're looking for a fan that is easy to install and provides a vibrant light show, you should consider it. What people say. The daisy chain feature made installing the front fans a breeze, no pun intended. The motherboard LED headers worked flawlessly with the Aura Sync feature without the need for a fan controller hub. The fan shrouds are of decent quality, as are the blades. The rubber padding at the fan mount corner seems to do its job of reducing vibration and, subsequently, noise. They also came with a 3-way fan splitter and new screws for all of them, which is nice. They were very easy to install. I daisy-chained one 3-pack together and plugged it into one 12V RGB port on my motherboard, then I daisy-chained the other 3-pack along with a RGB LED strip light kit I had together and plugged it into the other 12V RGB port on my motherboard. The fans are easily controllable from ASUS's Aura software. The daisy-chain cabling eliminates the need for a hub. One plugs into the board, the next plugs into the first, the next plugs into the second, and so on. The lights don't flicker or shimmy, they're smooth and constant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.